Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick review on my Yard Force Briggs Stratton lawnmower here. I've had this lawnmower about 2 years, a little over 2 years. I do have a video where it shows where I unboxed it and all that good stuff assembling it. So if you want to see that one, go ahead and check out my channel. 2 years that I've had this lawnmower, honestly, guys, I've never had any issues with it. It'll start on the first or the second crank, but I attribute that to how I take care of my lawnmower. Well, first of all, this is not in the elements. I have a little storage shed over there that I put it in whenever I'm done. One of the main things that has kept my lawnmower going strong, maintenance free, is what I do after I cut my grass. What I do after I cut my grass is I do not let any of the gas or leave any of the gas in the gas tank. You don't want to do that on any lawnmower because your gas tends to break down, and if there's still gas inside your engine or your motor there, it's going to start to kind of attach itself to things, and that's when you start getting the issues with your lawnmower. So what I do is whenever I'm done cutting grass, I don't fill it up all the way to the top. What I do, I've already kind of like gauged it of how much gas it'll take. But even if I go over, what I do is after I'm done cutting the grass, I'll pull this cord here and I'll leave it on, and then I'll put it in storage. So what this is gonna do is going to continue running the mower, continue running the engine until it runs out of gas, and that guarantees that any gas that is still in there is going to be used, and it will not affect my motor at all. So I think that's like the major issue here with some of the lawnmowers out there, that after about a year or two they start messing up on you. It's because people are leaving that gas inside the gas tank. So don't do that. That is like my major suggestion for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. But thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.